Is your Spectrum app constantly crashing on your Samsung TV? You're not alone. These crashes often stem from a buildup of cached data, outdated app versions, or compatibility issues with your TV's software. The good news is there are simple solutions. First, a quick fix that resolves this issue for most users is to try clearing the app's cache. To do this, navigate to Settings on your Samsung TV, then go to Apps, find Spectrum, and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the problem, and then try restarting your app. If the issue persists, move on to the next section for more in-depth troubleshooting. If clearing the cache didn't work, let's try some more robust solutions. Start by checking for updates to both the Spectrum app and your Samsung TV's firmware. For the app, go to the Samsung App Store and see if there's a newer version of Spectrum available. Install it if there is. Then, check for TV firmware updates by going to Settings, Support, Software Update, Update Now. Keeping everything up to date ensures compatibility and often resolves underlying bugs. Finally, if all else fails, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Spectrum app. This gives you a fresh start, clearing out any corrupted data. After reinstalling, you'll need to log in again. Remember, Spectrum app version 25.4.1, released in August 2025, specifically addresses crash issues on 2023-2025 Samsung TV models. If problems continue, consider contacting Spectrum support for personalized assistance, as regional server issues or internet connectivity could also be factors.